Singapore will contribute $7.9 million worth of medical supplies to an ASEAN reserve. Prime Minister Lee Hsien Loong says that this is to support the region's efforts in preparing for future public health emergencies. Speaking at the ASEAN Summit, he stresses the need for member states to work together to emerge stronger and more resilient from the pandemic.
Improving access to vaccines. PM Lee says that's one way ASEAN member states can work together to tackle the pandemic that remains a challenge after almost 2 years. Emphasizing the importance of the vaccines in breaking virus transmission, Mr. Lee welcomes the bloc's decision to use its COVID-19 response fund to buy vaccines. He also pledged Singapore's assistance in ensuring the quick and equitable distribution of vaccines within the region. ASEAN countries must progressively reopen their economies and resume safe travel, he adds, as COVID-19 is brought under control. He also welcomes the adoption of the ASEAN Travel Corridor and encourages the mutual recognition of digital health certificates. PM Lee is also calling on ASEAN countries to take a common position on key global issues while respecting diverse views. It has to remain neutral as it works with external partners. Singapore's position on these external partnerships has been clear and consistent. These should support ASEAN centrality and unity, and these should advance regional economic engagement and respect an open, inclusive, rules-based order anchored in international law. Questions have been raised on ASEAN's relevance after a security pact between Australia, the UK and US was formed in September. AUKUS focuses on the Indo-Pacific region. PM Lee also notes that while the tensions between US and China would impact peace and stability, he hopes both countries would hold substantive engagement in areas of shared interest, such as digital economy and sustainable development, in which ASEAN can collaborate. On the situation in Myanmar, PM Lee calls on the military authorities there to cooperate with the special envoy to ensure progress is made.